Of all the issues that this 3rd gen Dodge has, there's one that bothers me the most. And that would be that it doesn't have any AC. Now, sometimes you can come down and you can smack the blower motor in the resistor and it'll kick on. But this thing is just absolutely done for. So we have a new blower motor and a new blower motor resistor. The resistor is going to be located right here, and your blower motor to the right of it. Come right here, push in and pull down. You have 2 Phillips heads right here. That's your resistor. And look at that. Now here's our new resistor. Let's just compare. Looks like they are matching up pretty nicely. Disconnect right here. Next screw is going to be right here. Your last one is kind of peeking in the back there. Might be able to see that. Right there. Let's go ahead and take out our new blower motor here. Come with some new screws for you. Compare. Oh yeah. Real nice. That actually looks a little bit different. Unless the old one is just missing this piece here. That is interesting. Well, apparently I forgot to hit record, but all we did was everything in reverse. We shimmied the blower motor back up just like we pulled the last one out, put each of the 3 screws back in, slid this connector back up. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this actually fixed our issue. All right. AC is on. It is now blowing just like it used to when it was new, baby. Now, full disclosure, I did get these parts off of Amazon. I will leave affiliate links down in the description if you guys are looking for them. Otherwise, if you want to get OEM, you're going to be paying about $200 for the resistor and the motor. I paid about 50 bucks off of Amazon. You know, you're going to get what you pay for. We might have to be back here soon, but we'll see. Bye.